guys, welcome back to I'm in Mom's. So, do you remember the last video we made how to make Bedwars Roblox part 1? And this video is gonna be how to make a Bedwars Roblox part 2. So then let's go to here and guys, subscribe and turn on notification. Don't miss the video. If you miss this video, you can't miss this video. You see this video now. Okay, so if we go to here, this is just Dummy. I don't know his name is Dummy. His name is Dummy. Dummy and so this is just like the players, how to play Bed Wars. Hey, it's third part. Oh wait guys, this is gonna be I think this is gonna be different. Oh, I got it guys. Let's go here. Guys, I was not talking because I was dumb. Let's go to red here. Just the players trying to kill me. Making the players. Go here, and this is you go here, and I need to put the spawner here. I don't know how to make the block, but that's fine. That's fine if we make the blocks. So go to here. Oh, it's already a spawner. Oh, I'm so dumb. Boom! And that's so there's gonna be full of dummies. I don't know his name is Dummy because he's a dumb. So go here. Oh my god. That's good. What the? How I just moved? That's really don't make any sense. I don't know where to put those dummies, but that's fine. It's fine, put those dummies. Put this here. Wait, let's see if I can play. Let's see if I can play. If I don't play, I'm gonna be dumb. Okay, I still have the sword. Please, I still have the sword. I have the sword. I still have the sprint. I still have the sprint. That's cool. So go here. I need to go back here. Go here. I'm gonna put more spawners. So go here, we're gonna put other spawner. So if I play, I can just jump off. Wait, okay, just jump off. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Just I'm a different. Oh, I'm a different map. I'm a different spot. Oh, it don't work. Actually, they actually don't work. But that's fine. Guys, thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye. And this is the end of part of this video. So thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye. And guys, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and notification bell.